I can. Why does this happen every time? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing what I got for my birthday. Just a small little disclaimer, I am not trying to show off and I'm not trying to brag, but I'm really grateful for everyone who's wished me or for my family and friends who've given me gifts even during this COVID times. There are some of the gifts that I got in advance because I was back home at that time and I came here on the 3rd, I believe. So there are some of the gifts that I got from India, and then there are some of the gifts that my flatmates gave and my friends gave. So I'm just sharing that with you. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the small bits, small as in the tiny bits to hold. I got 3 gift cards. One is from Victoria's Secrets. It's such a beautiful gift card. It looks like this. I am not gonna turn it because there are codes and stuff and I don't know if you can use it online, but yeah, that's the first thing. I also got gift cards from Zara and H&M that I've already used. So this is my parcel that arrived from H&M today. Oops. But yeah, that's my parcel from H&M, and this is my Zara parcel. And if you'd like to see a haul, I can. Why does this happen every time? So as I was saying, let me know if you'd like to see a small little haul from H&M and Zara that I've got from here. The next thing that I got, and probably one of my favorite gifts, is the book set from the Harry Potter book set. It is probably one of the best gifts I've got and one of the gifts that I'm going to really enjoy. These are all the 7 books in this beautiful box sort of a thing, and yeah, this is something I really like, so really grateful for this one. The next thing that I got along with that is this painting set. So I have to paint all these 4 things. I feel painting is really very therapeutic for me. I enjoy it a lot, especially during these lockdown times and whatever. I just, when it's the weekend and if I don't have anything to do, or if I'm very stressed, I like to paint or color a lot. So I'm gonna start these. I will open them most likely next week. So I don't know when are you gonna watch the video. If you're gonna watch the video before this, then I won't be able to show you. If I do it before posting this video, I might show a small little snippet of what I did. But yeah, the next thing I got is from my aunt. I got it in India itself. She gave me this bag, the travel makeup bag. So it's beautiful, removable, adjustable compartments, because you can actually change them, and I don't know if it's visible, but yeah, you can actually change them and put them wherever as per your need. You can put your brushes this side, and you can put all your eyeshadow palettes and whatever you need for traveling. Because when I went to India, I took everything in pouches. So she gave me this and I'm really grateful. My small little cousins, they got me this game, the game of life. Life game, both really and metaphorically, but yes, this is the game that they got me. I love this game and they know it, and I actually opened it and wanted to play with them, but I couldn't play because of shortage of time, but we opened it there itself. But I absolutely love it, and I was so happy when they got it, because I tried to find this in the UK and I didn't get it. So I went there and then they were asking me, do you play live there? And I'm like, no, I couldn't find it. And then just before I was going, they're like, here you go. And I was like, wow, that's so sweet. That was really thoughtful of them. I got this cute little bag from Tommy. This is called a camera bag, I think, and I really love this strap from Tommy Hilfiger. My flatmate gave me this, and and it comes with a dust bag as well, its own dust bag. But if sometimes you don't want it to be like, you don't want this sporty strap, so you can just take this off, and I don't know what you can do, but I think you can just use it as a carry bag, like clutch sort of a bag as well. I really like it. I like the color, and the black one I had was really ruined. So this is very useful thing for me. In fact, everything that I've got and everything that I have is very useful. But yeah, I had to buy a bag, and this is So now there are two things left. Obviously my grandma gave me so many kitchen stuff. She gave me a lot of house related stuff, and she gave me something else as well, which I am not very comfortable showing on the camera because it's a bit expensive thing, and I am not comfortable disclosing it on the camera just yet. But yeah, other than that, she gave me a lot of kitchen stuff. Like, you know, that sandwich maker that you put on the stove directly and make the sandwich and stuff like that. So because I don't like the sandwich maker electric one, I like the other one. So that and some other stuff, like whatever I needed. There's a lot of stuff. Yeah, so she gave me all of that and something else, of course. My grandfather gave me a camera. I was like, obviously he's okay with what I'm doing on YouTube. He is really happy. He watches my videos regularly. He subscribed to my channel, and I think I'm possibly the only channel he's subscribed to, but he watches all my videos. So he really got me a camera, and I was like, whoa, like, you are actually believing in what I do. Like, of course he does, but sometimes I think we as kids we think that our parents or grandparents won't understand, but I feel they do. They really do. So he gave me this camera. It's a Canon G7X Mark III. It's I think the latest vlogging camera. Obviously you have a screen as well, and it's just wonderful. I love this camera. I've vlogged with it. I've loved it. Along with this, he gave me the tripod stand. So this is the Canon remote control operated tripod stand. Obviously you can fit it the way you want. There's this remote, you can just take it out and you can control the camera from here. So if you've placed the camera there, you don't need to physically go and do something. So this, and even when you're doing the stop motion, this is gonna be really handy. But yeah, I was so grateful for this. I loved it. Okay, so the thing that I got for myself, I got myself a Dyson. I didn't get it this month. I got it 2 months ago, I think in November, but this was my birthday gift to myself. So I have got the full set of the Dyson. Oh, it's disgusting. It's got hair in it. Wow, which is disgusting. But I'm a human after all. But yeah, so this is the full Dyson set. It is the air wrap. Comes with a lot of attachments. I got the purple one, purple and black. The classic one is, I think, the pink one, but this is a Dyson exclusive, so I got this one, and I love color purple. To go with it, one of my friends, because I was talking to one of my friends and I told her that the barrels that come with this are this size, which is really small for my hair because I've got really long hair, so this doesn't grab all my hair. So she actually gifted me the long barrels, which I am so grateful for. So the long barrels are really long if you compare. This is the long one, and I'll take out the 30 ml. This is the short one, so it's almost like half-ish if you see the heating part. But yeah, this is the long one. She gave me both in 30 mm and 40 mm ones. I was so happy that I finally got it. I really wanted it for the longest time, but I don't know, I just never got it, and this time I was like, it's fine. That is it for this video. That's all the gifts that I got. I got a few more bits from my family, like pair of jeans and stuff, which I ordered and have not arrived yet, but I've got those wide leg jeans, white and black, and a flare blue jeans, and some bits of clothing and stuff like that. So yeah, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's not triggering to anyone, because that's not the purpose of this video. I'm just sharing with you what I got, because I'm really genuinely grateful for everything and everyone in my life at this point, whoever is there. And it makes me so happy that even during these times, people and my family, they are willing, or they literally took the efforts to get me something. And all my friends who called me and wished me, it was really beautiful and very wholesome for me. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up, and if you'd like to stick around, subscribe down to my channel. Let me know the best part of 2021 so far for you, and I shall see you very, very soon. Bye bye.